Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to get rid of eye bag, okay, and dark eye circle, under eye circle basically, okay, and those puffiness. Alright, so this treatment that I'm actually going to be showing you is going to help you to calm the nerves at your under eye, and it's also going to help you to remove those darkness around there. Okay, so if you want to know what all of the ingredients comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me take you right into the video. Alright guys, so to remove eye bag and dark circles, we're gonna be needing to use potato, and potato is a great remedy that helps to remove eye bag, and it also helps to remove puffy eye, and it's smoothing the skin. It helps to remove the dark circles, and it makes the eye and the skin smooth. So what I'm going to do is that I'm gonna be peeling this potato. So I have to remove the peel of the potato first. Now after removing the peel of the potato, I'm gonna be grating it. I'm going to be creating about 2 of this potato, or if you have a big one, you can actually use just a big one, because we'll be needing just the starch of the potato, so we need the potato to be much. Yeah, so after creating it, I'm going to be putting just a little bit of water to make this juice come out really well. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be straining it. I'm going to be putting it in this strainer, and then I'll have to strain it really well. So here is it, and I'm now going to be using this particular one, and I'm going to be keeping this for it to, for the starch to come out, yeah, for it to settle. So I'll be right back. I'm not going to be shaking it at all. Then the next ingredient I'm gonna be needing is sugar, and you can use the brown sugar or white sugar, anyone you lay your hands on, you can actually make use of it, and it's very perfect for this remedy. Yeah, now white sugar has a smaller granite particles and is very gentle at the under eye area, that scrub out those dead skin cells sitting at the under eye, and it also helps in reducing the puffiness on the eye. Okay, so about 2 tablespoons of this sugar, yeah, is perfect for this mix. Okay, and then also we're going to be needing turmeric powder. Now turmeric powder is a great remedy that works wonders in rejuvenating and brightening up the skin. It helps to make the skin look super glowing, and it also would help to remove dark under eye and puffiness. So I'm going to be taking just 1 teaspoon of this turmeric powder into the sugar, and then I would have to be mixing it all up together, and then we are having our treatment getting ready. Okay, so after this is done, then we would have to be reaching out to egg. We'll be needing egg yolk for this remedy. because we need something very mild and gentle at the under eye, and that's why we're needing egg. I've actually just busted it and I'm going to be using just the yolk. Now egg yolk is great for the skin, and it's also great in removing eye bag and dark under eye. Okay, it works wonders in tightening up the skin and making the skin look evenly glowing and youthful. And it's also a remedy that is very good for tightening up a large and open pores. Yeah, so after putting this all up, then you would have to be mixing it really well, and basically this is what you need. Okay, you do not need to put any more water, and also gonna be needing green tea for this remedy. Now green tea contains a lactic acid that helps so much to rejuvenate the skin and also brighten up the skin. So using green tea for this remedy is going to be really perfect. So this is how we're going to be doing it, guys. We're going to be infusing it, and we're going to be putting just a little bit of warm water, and then we're just going to let it sit and let the green tea actually come out. So I'm actually going to disturb it a little bit, let it come out quickly. Okay, let it be induced quickly for us to use. Okay, so now green tea contains a numerous benefit plus vitamin C, and it's great in removing stretch marks. Okay, so after infusing the green tea, then we're gonna be putting about 2 tablespoons of this green tea into this remedy, and then we're just gonna stir. Okay, now after that is done, then we'll reach out for the potato starch, which we earlier kept for it to settle. Okay, so this is a potato starch, and what I'm gonna do is that I'm actually gonna be removing the juice, and then we'll be left with just the starch. You can see that this is the starch. So we're gonna be putting the starch into this ingredients. Okay, we're not gonna be needing the juice for now. Now after we've put in all of these ingredients together, then we would have to stir it all up. Okay, mix it really well for the ingredients to be mixed together really great. Now you can use this at most 2 to 3 times in a week to remove dark circles and reduce puffy eye. And also this is great for your skin if you are having a rough skin or a dark patches around your skin. Okay, alright guys, so here is my puffiness and dark circle turmeric treatments with sugar. And how you're going to apply this is that you first of all need to dab your face with water, like especially your under eye where you want to apply this. Okay, you dab it and let it be soft. Okay, so that when you apply this treatment, it's just going to get into your skin. Okay, so what you do is that you take this treatment and then you apply it onto your eye, just like this. You apply this way. If you have an oily skin, this remedy is perfect for you. If you have a dry skin, the remedy is equally perfect for you. If you have a sensitive skin, remedy is equally perfect for you. But before you apply it and leave it, you would have to like apply it and be like and stay for like 1 2 3 minutes and see if it goes with your skin, in case you have a sensitive skin, because for some people who have sensitive skin, it might, might not be very good for you. Okay, so you apply it very close to your eye. And then you leave it. Okay, so this is just how you're going to apply it. Yeah, and you can do this for like a week or two, and you leave it for like 30 minutes or even more, and then it will actually get rid of all of those darkness around there. Now, in case you have a dark spot, you can see those little dark spots I incurred when I was pregnant. You can actually, you know, apply them there, because I've actually been using some stuff to get rid of the dark spot and it's been fading. The thing is that dark spot actually fade. Dark circles will actually fade little by little. Before you know it, all of the darkness has actually fade off, and your skin will actually be looking really glowing and really beautiful. Okay, so after which you've applied this, and then you have to leave it on your skin for at least 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can go wash it off. Now, you do not need to scrub because you're dealing with the under eye. The under eye area is actually a very sensitive area on your skin. Okay, so no need for you to scrub, just leave it on. So that's it, guys. It's as simple as that, and I'm loving the feeling. I love the way it feels on my eye, and it's so cooling. You have to refrigerate it, okay, because you're basically applying it at your under eye, so you need it to be cool. Yeah, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video, and I'll come your way again. Bye, guys, and